Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to check your credit score on Experian. There are two simple methods that we can use for this. Let me show you right now. The first is the online method, and what you want to do is to visit the Experian website and then just click on the Get Your Free Credit Score button, and then just create a new account or log into your existing Experian account. Then you're going to need to answer security questions to verify your identity, and once verified, you'll be able to view your Experian credit score. Now, the second method is to do that on the mobile app. What you're going to need to do is to download the Experian mobile app on your app store for iOS device, or you can do that for Google Play Store for Android devices, and then just log into your Experian account with your email address and password, and then just tap on the credit score tab. Once you're logged in, you want to look for credit score tab, and that's where you're going to be able to view your Experian credit scores and such. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.